There it is, first cut out on the double edge with the sawzall. Getting going here. Eddie told me to cut this thing out. We're going to try to get down to the fuel tank and get that out next. It's officially begun. Demo part 2. I just took the sawzall, cut that whole bump out where the engine box was. Trying to get down to the fuel tank right here. Figure out what's going on with that, and gotta figure out where to cut to get that out. Alright, kind of skipped a little intro today, but yesterday I came out and cleaned just for like an hour or two. Today I started cutting up the deck, trying to get in here, get the fuel tank out, kind of figure out where everything is. So I got the skill saw going, sawzall, making some headway, cut up the engine hatch. So yeah, we're just kind of opening things up, trying to figure out where everything is so we can start cutting and get a plan going. Whew.
All the way to this bulkhead.
So it's pushed up tight against that bulkhead, huh?
Well, it's pushed up to the ledger.
Okay. Fuel tank searching. Alright, just took the sawzall and the skill saw to this chunk of deck. We're trying to get down to the fuel tank, which is freaking huge. The whole space is fuel tank all the way from this bulkhead to that bulkhead. About 200 gallons, so I gotta get all this foam out of here. I'm gonna use the air chisel. Keep going. Got a little pile of shit over here. Sawzall, skill saw. Alright, there it is. I got pretty much all the foam out. There's the fuel tank. Thing was huge. Gotta figure out how to get that thing out now. Working on getting the fuel tank out. Got all the foam off. Using this air chisel to get the rest of the foam around the edge here. And then I'm gonna try to cut this lip off right here because the fuel tank sits all the way back under there. The sawzall, and then I'm gonna start cutting the tank up and kind of figure out how to get it out of here. I tried to film a time lapse of that. Knocked the camera over. I just got cut that lip down. So now I got the edge of the fuel tank exposed on that bulkhead. I gotta figure out how to cut this thing out. Switch the handle so it's getting blasted. I got one cut, vaporized it a disc, so I had to go get another cut off disc. Keep going. Well, there's fuel, a little left. Gotta get that out. Alright, took the craft disc, cut all around here, gonna try to pop it out. See, I started like 3 little fires. All right, just got that out. One more step. We got shit in there. A bunch of water down there. I don't know if that's just from condensation over the last few days or what, but kind of gnarly. Hoping these pieces will just slide out now.
Yeah, if I can make these things this weekend.
Cool. Oh, master. That thing's done. We got the fuel tank out. Tobin's on it. So weird. I don't know what that shit is, but I don't think we should breathe it. Spray foam. Now we gotta get all that out. Well, it probably smells like fuel a little bit too, you know, because of all the like fuel and diesel fumes in there.
Yeah.
We got all the foam out. Just drilled a couple exploratory holes down in there so you can check out everything above this bulkhead. Make sure it's dry and that we're not missing anything while we have everything all gutted up. But the plan is to hopefully not have to touch much forward. We're gonna flush this live well out, insulate it, build some new hatches. Then I'm gonna open up this rail like we did on that side. Kind of same thing, just make sure there's not water or anything messed up in there because these got so beat up over the years bringing bags over the rails. Open that up. Looks pretty good, actually. A little bit of water obviously through here, but it feels pretty solid. All right, we've pretty much done all the demo that we're gonna do out here at the Anderson yard. I'm just cleaning up the boat basically after all the work we did last couple days, getting everything all cut out and dialed in. Got all that foam out, so yeah, I'm just gonna take the shop vac through and clean it up. But we're taking the boat down to Ventura. I guess this is kind of phase 1 demo here. Been epic working out here with Eddie and the crew out here at the Anderson boat yard.
they're filling up and they got a lot of work to do on some other boats. So we're going down to Jeff Hall's yard in Ventura, another super talented boat builder, surfboard maker, and just all around good dude. So stoked to go work down there with Jeff and keep working down there. We're gonna do all the rest of the demo, the grinding, fiberglass work. Eddie's gonna sort of work with us and Jeff to do the layout on the motor and the V-drive, because that's his specialty. So yeah, we're gonna dial everything in and sort of a little team effort. Super nice, these guys, to help us and just keep working together to keep our project moving. And then we'll come back out here to the yard to do all the fabricating for the engine mounts and everything and install the motors.